Oke, let's continue. Tadi kita sudah belajar bagaimana dokter menanyakan kondisi pasien ya. Nah, sekarang I will give you another sentence. Mem akan ajarkan kalimat yang lain yang ada di buku. Oke, look at the picture. Oke, what happened with it? And this is a tooth. Dok, ini gigi ya. Giginya kenapa nih? Berlubangnya. Cavity. Apa tadi cavity? Berlubang. And, oke, he went to the dentist. Dia pergi ke dokter gigi. Now, I will give you a sentence. Why did you go to the dentist yesterday? Okay. Can you tell me in Indonesian? Apa artinya di bahasa Indonesia? Why did you go to the dentist yesterday? Ya, kenapa kamu pergi ke dokter gigi kemarin? Ya, nah sekarang sebelum dijawab, mau tanya dulu, kenapa di sini why did? Did ini verb 1 atau verb 2? Ya, did ini memakai verb 2. Kenapa kita memakai verb 2? Karena kita menanyakan kegiatan yang terjadi di waktu lampau atau yang sudah terjadi. Bagaimana kita tahu bahwa ini sudah terjadi? Ada di keterangan waktunya. Keterangan waktunya apa? Coba kita di belakang. Ada kata yesterday. Apa sih artinya yesterday? Ya, yesterday itu artinya kemarin. Kejadian kalau kemarin itu berarti sudah terjadi kan? Nah, jadi memakai verb to ya, tidak why do tapi why did. Oke, now look at the answer. Sekarang kita lihat jawabannya. I went to the dentist because I had a cavity. Can you say in Indonesia? Saya pergi ke dokter gigi karena saya punya ya gigi berlubang. Coba kita lihat when. When ini verb 1 atau verb 2? Betul, ini adalah verb 2. Apa verb 1? Verb 1-nya go. Jadi ini V1-nya adalah go, V2-nya adalah when. Nah, kenapa di sini memakai V2? Karena yang ditanyakan adalah kejadian yang sudah terjadi. Jadi dijawab memakai kata kerja yang V2. Bukan I go, tapi I went. I went to the dentist because I had. Kenapa tidak I have? Had ini V1 atau V2? V2 juga. Ya, kenapa had bukan have? Karena ini kejadian yang sudah terjadi. Jadi memakai V2. Oke? Oke, now it's your turn to repeat. Sekarang giliran kalian untuk menirukannya. Why did you go to the dentist yesterday? I went to the dentist because I had a cavity. Ya. Kenapa kamu pergi ke dokter gigi kemarin? Saya pergi ke dokter gigi karena saya punya gigi berlubang. Oke, next picture. Oke, look at. Nah, dia apa nih? Kenapa? Oke, what's the matter? Ya, he had a fever, panas. Dan pergi ke, what is it? Bukan dokter ini perawat ya. Nurse, pergi ke nurse. Nah, why did you go to the nurse? Kenapa kamu pergi ke perawat? Ya, ini did ya. I went to the nurse because I had a fever. Saya pergi ke perawat karena saya punya demam nih. When, video ya. Okay, now it's your turn. Repeat. Why did you go to the nurse? I went to the nurse because I had a fever. Okay, well done. Next. Okay, can you guess? Ini sakit apa nih kira-kira? Nah, tuh. Ya, dia sakit lengan, patah lengan. Dia pergi kemana ini? Ya, pergi ke rumah sakit, hospital. No, yuk kita jawab bersama-sama. Pertanyaannya kira-kira apa tadi? Ya, why did, sekarang you diganti he. He go to the rumah sakit apa tadi? Hospital. Boleh ditambah yesterday, boleh ditambah last week. Ya. Why did he go to the hospital? Jawabnya apa? No, sorry, not I, but he. He go or went? Good. He went. Verb 2 ya. He went to the hospital because he have or had. Good. He had a broken arm. Ya, ingat ya. Jadi pakai he had a broken arm. Okay, now repeat. Why did he go to the hospital? He went to the hospital because he had a broken arm. Very good. Next. Can you guess? Dia sakit apa nih ya? Toothache. Ya. Sakit gigi dan go to the dentist. Good. Nah, Please ask together. Kita tanya bersama-sama ya. Okay. Why did, not he but she, why did she go to the dentist? Where did she go to the dentist? Ya, jawabnya. She went to the dentist because she had a toothache. Okay, understand? Now repeat. Now read together. Why did she go to the dentist? She went to the dentist because she had a toothache. Okay, good. Next, we have another thing. Nah, ini sudah ada jawabannya. Ini sakit lambung ya, bukan sakit perut, sakit lambung. Stomachache. Yeah, stomachache. Why did he go to the doctor? He went to the doctor because he had a stomachache. Kenapa dia pergi ke dokter? Dia pergi ke dokter karena dia sakit lambung. Okay? Understand? Now it's your turn to get your textbook. Ambil buku paketnya ya, buku halaman 50. Listen and number. Ready? And get your pen. Okay, now listen and number.
Lesson 3. Why did he go to the dentist? Track 25. Word chest. Page 50. A. Listen and number. Number 1.
Oh no! I have a cavity!
Number 2.
My dad works at the hospital.
Number 3.
I use dental floss every day.
Number 4.
Oh no, he has a broken bone in his arm.
Number 5.
The doctor took an x-ray of the boy's chest.
Number 6.
I brush my teeth with my toothbrush.
Okay, finish. Can you tell me what is the answer? Ya, jawaban adalah 631 254 ya. 631 254. Semua betul ya, nggak usah. Ini dikerjakan, tapi tidak usah dikumpulkan. Ini mudah ya. Okay, understand? Okay, next. Look at here. Ini ada di buku kalian ya. Okay, now please repeat. Why did he go to the dentist? Apa artinya? Kenapa dia pergi ke dokter gigi? He had a cavity. Ya, dia punya gigi berlubang. Ya, nah jawabannya bisa lengkap, bisa singkat. Ini jawaban singkat saja, tapi lengkapnya bisa. He went to the dentist. He went to the dentist because he had a cavity. Okay, next. Why did you go to the hospital? Repeat. Ya, kenapa kamu pergi ke rumah sakit? I had a broken arm. Sorry, ini I had ya. Saya punya patah lengan atau saya patah lengan. Jawabnya kalau lengkap apa? I went to the hospital because I had a broken arm. Okay? Understand? Okay, very good. Now, open page 70. Sorry, not 70, 52. 72 ya, 52. What that one? Nah, here is it. Oke, sudah? Ya, coba kita jawab bersama-sama kira-kira. Why? Good. Why did Mark go to the doctor? Ya. Why did Mark go to the doctor? Jawabannya apa? He went to the doctor because he had a nosebleed. Apa nosebleed? Nosebleed, nose itu hidung, bleed berdarah. Jadi hidung berdarah apa itu? Mimisan. Lalu dia bertanya, is he okay now? Is he okay now? Apakah dia baik-baik saja sekarang? Yes, he is. Ya, dia sekarang baik-baik saja. Oke, ya. Jadi saya tahu ya jawabannya. Ya, coba bersama tadi dijawab ya. Nggak usah dikumpulkan, Mem sudah kasih tahu jawabannya. Apa tadi? Why did Mark go to the doctor? He went to the